In this lesson, we're going to talk about chip location recognition. What we see now is the component map of the mainboard. The component map of the mainboard is actually the identification or description of the main chips in the mainboard. For example, in this mainboard, here is the Snapdragon 845 CPU. Here is Samsung's font library, and these positions shelved chips, audio chip, gravity sensor chip, fast charging chip, audio power amplifier, RF power amplifier, etc. Okay, let's talk about these chips separately. Let's take a look at the CPU. The CPU is the central processing unit. The most important thing in a smartphone with good performance is the CPU. It is the control center system of the mobile phone and the control center of the logic part. Here is the CPU. The picture on the right is the CPU of Qualcomm SM6150. At present, the mainstream chip manufacturers for smartphones are those shown in the picture on the right: Qualcomm, MediaTek, HiSilicon, and Samsung. Let's take a look. Qualcomm. The first row is branding of Qualcomm processors. Second row, SDM670 is the model. MTK. The first row is the MediaTek logo. The second row, the string begins with MT, is the model of this CPU. HiSilicon. HiSilicon CPU starts with HI. HI6280 is the model of this CPU. Samsung. This is the Samsung's logo. 980 refers to the model of this CPU. Okay, let's take a look at the structure of the CPU. The current CPU adopts double layer welding, and the welding method is double layer. For example, in the picture on the right, it looks like a hamburger. The top of the double layer CPU is the temporary storage. The codes engraved on its surface are the temporary storage models. Only when the temporary storage is removed we can see the CPU model. This structure of upper and lower layers, we call it POP structure, package stacking technology. Nameplate, stack up, that's what it means. Well, this picture shows the CPU after removing the upper temporary memory chip. This is back of the CPU. SM8150 is the model of this CPU. Okay, that's it for the lesson of the CPU.